Good day, everyone. Good day, my Nigerian people. Good day to everyone listening to me. I hope everyone is staying strong and staying jiggy. Today's matter horizon says Nnamdi Kanu dragged to Federal High Court in sudden move. What you need to know. Dragged. Like the tying leg, tying hand, drag him, go Federal High Court. Why? Are they forcing him to now face verdicts from Justice Binta Inyako, or why exactly would he be dragged to the Federal High Courts? But we won't know what exactly is going on with this heading if we don't get to the contents of the day. So let's dive in. I know it is up for you. The embattled leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has been unexpectedly summoned to appear before the Federal High Court in Abuja. This directive comes from Justice Binta Mutala Nyako, who had previously This directive comes from Justice Binta Mutala Nyako, who had previously recused herself from the case. Kano's special counsel, Barrister Aloy Ejimako, disclosed this development in a statement on Friday, February 7, following a routine visit with Kano's legal team and family. Kanus' legal team had earlier filed a motion requesting the case FHC/ABJ/CR/383/215 be transferred from the Abuja division to any federal court division in the southeast, citing jurisdictional concerns. This request, submitted on January 30, 2025, was grounded in the Federal High Court rules of 2019 and an order from Justice Inyako's recusal on September 24, 2024. Ejimako stated, "We were surprised to receive a notice to appear in court with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on Monday, February 10, 2025. Despite Justice Inyako's recusal, the case file was returned to her after no other Abuja judge accepted it." The legal team expressed their opposition to this development, arguing that Justice Nyako no longer holds jurisdiction over the case. They insist the case should be relocated to a Southeast Division where the alleged offenses occurred to ensure a fair trial. Citing legal precedents in court regulations, Ejimako concluded, "To prevent a miscarriage of justice, we urge the court to approve our application before the February 10 hearing." They shall allow this man to go to the southeast and face his verdicts in the Federal High Court in the southeast. Honestly, it doesn't really make any case for them to keep holding this Nnamdi Kanu's case if every judge in Abuja has said no, they don't want to deal with it. What's the point of keeping it there? This kind of thing, you take it to a different federal high court and then they will know what exactly to do. Besides, this whole case is mainly about whatever violence they claim that Nnamdi Kanu is inciting in the southeast. So does it make sense for the whole case to go on in the federal high court in the southeast? For them to be able to say, oh yes, this man actually harmed the southeast and he deserves to be held accountable for it. They keep holding him there in Abuja for how long? Giving Nyako the case and Nyako rejecting it. They're playing ball with each other, recursing the case and not recursing the case. They're taking it too far and taking it too long. And it begins to seem like they're really holding on to it because they don't want to let the man go. They really don't want to give him any positive reason for him to be like, okay, I'll be released very soon. They didn't even want to even try to help with his case, to see reasons with him or anything, or hear his plea or whatever thing that they're doing in the courts. No. They keep holding him down and making sure that he's stuck over there. Justice Nyako doesn't want the case, or she didn't want the case. She recursed herself from the case. the courts collected back the case and they were looking for judges that would take up the case. No judge agreed to take up the case. Oh yeah, move it to a different federal high court. Everybody saying no. They now took it back to Justice Binta. And now Justice Binta has asked them to come and face their verdict on February 10. They shall appear in court with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on February 10, despite her recusal from the case. They are making it so obvious that the whole move with Nnamdi Kanu's case is no longer about law. It's now about politics. Because if they're actually following law, this case won't go on for too long. It wouldn't go on for this long. The whole Nnamdi Kanu's case is actually looking like something out of context, out of the ordinary. Even the judges are rejecting it. I mean, something that is not going forward or moving backward, and it does look like something that has no hope because there are powerful people that are holding the case. What's the point of taking it up? Something that you can't easily give your verdict to, and you can't actually make your choice about because people are holding the case back. What's the point of taking up the case? So the judges are not to blame. They should just take it up with other federal high courts that the judges actually want to grapple with this case. Is beginning to seem so annoying, so political. Simple something. Did he do it or did he not do it? I carry his case from one place to another, from one year to another. And then the people that they claimed that is inciting violence in their region and in their state are not even hoping for this man to be jailed. Like, at all. They are not hoping for him to be jailed. They really do love this man. They want him to be free. They're even asking them to bring the case to them, saying let them put the right verdict for him. That is how they are feeling. So I don't know why this case is going on for too long. The people you're trying to fight for doesn't need your help. They don't need it. The Southeast region, they don't even need you to give any innocence verdict on Nnamdi Kanu. So just let this whole matter just end. Let everybody rest in this country, all because of one man. Anyways, we've come to the end of today's content. Do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.